Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer returns with UPS easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary items for your return. Ensure you have the original packaging, the item you're returning, and any required documentation. Visit the UPS website or download the UPS mobile app. Log into your UPS account or create a new one if necessary. Locate the section for returns on the website or app. Select the option that pertains to your return type. Follow the prompts to input your tracking number or order details. Choose your preferred return label option, either digital or printed. If selecting a printable label, download and print the label. Affix the return label securely to the package. Ensure that the item is properly packaged to avoid damage during shipping. Drop off your package at a nearby UPS location or schedule a pickup. If you choose to drop off, find the nearest UPS store using their locator tool. Hand your package to the UPS representative or place it in the designated drop-off area. Keep your receipt or tracking number for future reference. Monitor your return status through the UPS tracking feature online. Once processed, you will receive confirmation of your return via email. And that's it. Your return with UPS is successfully in progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.